Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the way that I look, but I am excited to film this video because I have been wanting to do it for a while and I've just never been able to get around to it. I just got back from Chicago on Sunday, which was yesterday, and I am leaving tomorrow to go to Texas for 4 days, so I'm not going to be able to film anything else for the rest of this week, so I figured I would get this in today. I am going to be filming my fall house tour. I am so excited for this. I know that I've shown a little bit of what I've done with my house, but I have updated it since then, and I can't wait to show you everything that I have done. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe and like it, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so starting outside, we have a very small like entryway, so I have just kind of spruced it up a little bit. I did this little wreath. Actually, I got this idea from Cami and Carly. If you don't know their channel, I will link that in the description box, but they had an amazing tutorial on this wreath. Mine's not as good as theirs, but it works. This thing is from the Dollar Tree, the Give Thanks, and I just spray painted it and I tucked it into the wreath. The wreath is from Michael's and these flowers are from the Dollar Tree, and so I just kind of did that. We got this Our Nest mat, which I was needing a mat anyway, so I just bought this one from Hobby Lobby. It was super cute. And then I just got a pumpkin, and I've already had that sign. We got that sign for Christmas from a family member, and I utilized my cooler. So this is a cooler that I probably need to, I mean, it kind of looks a little bit tacky because you can see the blue a little bit, but I just put wrapping paper around it. If you can see the design, it's like a burlap kind of design. I put some Dollar Tree leaves around the bottom of it, and then I got these bins. One of them was already mine. I bought another one. It was like $5 from Michael's, and I just put a little bit of decor inside of those. Alright, so walking in, there's Garrett. Say hi, babe. I was gonna try to film this when he was asleep, but that didn't work out so well. Okay, so walking in, the first thing that you see is this table, which I have showed you this in my previous video on my fall decor. I haven't done anything different to it, so it looks just the same as it did in that video, and I will link that video as well for you to see. Inside of these lanterns, I don't have them lit up right now, but there are some Dollar Tree lights inside of these lanterns that have little leaves on them, and I light those up at night. And there's nothing really different about either one of these. I had a burlap sign that I just put up there, and then, excuse my Waffle House coffee in my phone, I got this little guy from I guess like a Hobby Lobby a long time ago, but he just kind of fit perfectly right there with my Love Fall, the Perfect Autumn candle from Bath and Body Works. Can't talk. It smells so good. On this table, I just have some decor that I already previously had from around the house. That little deer thing was on my fireplace. It's actually Christmas, but I mean, it can work for all seasons, I believe. I had this from a long time ago. Those leaves are from the Dollar Tree, and it honestly, I was getting ready to throw it away, but then I put it there and it looked really good. So have that. The pumpkin I've had for a while, and then that Holcomb thing, like I said in my previous videos, I got that as a wedding gift, and it just fit perfectly on that table. This guy, I've had it for a while. This used to be on my dining room table, but it fit there pretty well, so there's that. And moving on into the living room, I just created this little station here, and I'm so excited about it. I love it. I bought this sign from Hobby Lobby, and I had this for a long time. It used to be this color, just a little bit lighter than this color because I sanded and stained the top. But I just distressed it with some Annie Sloan chalk paint, And I spray painted these that were already on there. I lost that one. I don't know where it went, but it's all right. I probably will end up replacing all of those soon, but for now I just spray painted them and they look good. And on top I have this pumpkin that I got from Hobby Lobby. This guy, I've had it for a while. I'm not sure where I got it, probably Hobby Lobby. And then I have my candle there. And then up here I bought this thing from Target. And then the pumpkins were from the Target Dollar Stop, which were, I believe they were $1. They could have been $2, I'm not sure. And then the gather sign was from Hobby Lobby. And that's what that corner looks like. And it looks so good. It looks a lot better than it did because it used to just be plain. And I'm glad that I spruced it up like that. I'm probably gonna keep it just like that and maybe exchange that gather sign with something else. But I'm probably gonna end up keeping this sign because I love it there. Alright, moving on into the living room. I've had this blanket for a while and I love it. I love it so much. It's so comfortable, it's soft, and on this table I had to move this behind because Garrett likes to take that off. But I got these leaf bowls a long time ago, and we just put candy in those. There's 3 of them. It comes in a pack of 3. And here is my fireplace. I've not updated my fireplace since I created the video previously of me decorating for fall, so it looks the same. But I really love the way that my fireplace turned out. And the only thing different that I have done to my little table centerpiece is I added this guy. I got this from Target Dollar Stop, I believe. And he looks really good right there. You know what? I didn't get that from Target Dollar Stop. Now that I think about it, I got this from At Home. And then there's another leaf bowl over there. And then backing up, you can see what my living room looks like. We have to keep blankets on the chair because Champ likes to scratch up the furniture. With this being leather furniture, especially that it's dark, Champ likes to scratch it up. So I have to keep blankets down where he lays so that way he doesn't scratch the furniture up. But this is what my living room looks like. Okay, moving on into the kitchen / breakfast area. I've showed you this 100 times, but I'm so proud of the way that this turned out. I painted this. Let me move all of these out of the way so I can show you what this looks like. I went to a birthday party and it was a place that you can paint different like wood pieces. So this whole thing was just a piece of wood and I added these things, and it says, I have loved you with an everlasting love, Jeremiah 31:3. And it is a lazy Susan. I mean, it's so cute. So cute. I love it. So basically all I did was I got some vases from the Dollar Tree. I took some rope that I got from Michael's for $5 and I wrapped it and created these vases. I put some Dollar Tree flowers in there. I got this from Target Dollar Stop. I got these pumpkins from Target Dollar Stop. And then this mason jar I've already had. And I just added some little lights that I got from Michael's. And I don't remember how this was. Whatever, that's good. And that's what that looks like. So I love that. I just created this table not long ago. I bought this from Hobby Lobby. I made this at a church, like a church event where they just did some painting for the women, and that pumpkin I've had for a while. I've had that Count Your Blessings for a long time. That was from Hobby Lobby as well. And I just kind of did that table up a little bit. And then moving on into the kitchen, I've showed you that those used to be, bananas were in there, we ate all the bananas, but keep my fruit in there. And the first thing that you see in the kitchen is this little thing that I got this from one of our friends for Christmas, and it has our initials on it, and I think that it looks really good right there next to the sink. If you follow Clean and Sensible, I actually stole this idea from her. But I went to the dollar store, got these flowers, got this plate from the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted it, and I got this little stand from the Dollar Tree, and I just glued the plate on top, and it makes for a cute little stand for your soaps. And then I've had that there for a while, and I just put some flowers in there that kind of remind me of fall. I changed my my Keurig used to be on the other side of my kitchen, but I changed it to sit here because I feel like it looks better in this corner. I also changed my cabinets around so that my cups kind of match where my Keurig is. But I got this from the Target dollar stop, and I just kind of keep that there for decor. And then I have some flowers that I just kind of spruced up this little Lazy Susan that I've had for a while. And then this truck, I know that it is Christmas. It's a Christmas truck. I don't know where to put it. I don't want to put it up because I just bought it and it was so cute. So it just kind of sits there. I'm going to end up putting some pine cones and some like little ornaments and stuff in there when it comes Christmas time. But for now, it's just gonna, I know it's so random, but it's just gonna sit there. I mean, it's red, so it matches my kitchen, but it's Christmas, so I need to find a place for it. It does not have a place yet. And then you've seen this. I've made this previously. This is new. Both of these came from Target Dollar Stop, and I've had this for a while. So I actually built this with some scrap wood that was in my garage. I was like, I don't want to get rid of the scrap wood, but I want to, I mean, I don't have any place for it. So I just built this little tray, I guess, and I stained it. So it looks really good right there. I just added some pumpkins, some pine cones, some extra magnolia leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree for my magnolia wreath that I made, and those are just some leftover leaves. So I put those in there. And then in here, I have my spices, not my spices, my baking stuff. So I have flour, sugar, and brown sugar. I got this little thing from at home, and I just put some Dollar Tree leaves. These things were inside of my, I guess, little house that I got from Target that was sitting on the center table. So I just put those in there. And this is what my kitchen looks like. This centerpiece here, I showed you in my other video, but that used to be on my dining room table. It fits there, and it looks so good there. And yeah, this is my kitchen. And this is pretty much all that I have done for fall in the main area. I haven't changed that up there, but I'm going to end up changing it soon. But right now, I'll just show you what it says. The Lord's gonna get my praise. Devil, get out of my way. Amen. And this is my fall decor. Like I said, I haven't done anything else except for this. So this is, my main level is basically the only place that I decorate. And I cannot wait to start decorating for Christmas, even though I love my fall decor. Christmas is my favorite. So it was a really quick fall tour, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love the way that everything turned out, especially since I got a lot of this stuff for super cheap, either at the dollar store or Michael's or Hobby Lobby. You can always find coupons for Hobby Lobby and for Michael's, so make sure that you go and you coupon before you go and you buy stuff so you can save you some money. So I really, again, enjoyed the way that this turned out, and I hope that you got some inspiration. I got a lot of inspiration from other YouTubers, from other Instagrammers, and from Pinterest, of course. So make sure you check those out if you want to get some inspiration too. And I hope, again, that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.